Today we will learn about loop statement in Python. Loop means while loop and for loop. So the keyword while and the keyword is for looping into a program. So now for the initial we have started with a equal to 0 and we are printing value of a, then printing a line, then we will try our while loop. So while a is equal to 0, print a. Now this is a one line command of while loop. So let's see what it happens. It will be an infinite loop. We have to break this infinite loop using Ctrl C. Now I am pressing Ctrl C and it will be a keyboard interrupt and it is breaking the loop. So this is the one line loop which is infinite loop. Now while a is less than 6, so a is now at 0 and we are giving the condition, that is while a is less than 6 we will go into this loop. So we will print a and then we will increment the value a by 1. So next in the next iteration it will be 1, then it will goes to in this print statement and then increment the value by 1, it will be 2, and then it will check again if it is less than 6 and so on, and when it is the value of 6 it will not enter again into this loop and end the program. So now let's see. So this is up to 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When the value is 6, it will end up with the program. It will not go inside this loop and do not print the print statement. Now, else, if a is less than 6, then print a, otherwise it will print value is more than 5. So this is the end statement, that is it will, if the loop is over then it will print the else statement, or if it is not inside this loop also it will print the end statement. So now we will print this. Now check what it happens. So up to 5 it is printing 5, then after the loop it will printing value is more than 5. So else part is here. Now if we want to if a is equal to 3, now break. So it will break the loop and then it will goes to the else part. Now let's see. So up to 3 it will print and then it will skip the else part and goes out of the statement. So it will break the whole while statement including else. Now if I say if a is equal to 3, then continue. Then what happens, when a is equal to 3 it will not print anything and then again goes to the while loop for checking if it is less than 6 or not. In break, it will break the while loop and goes out of this loop. But in case of continue, it will only do nothing in case of 3. So it will skip the print part. Now 1 2 3 4 1 2 not 3 4 5 6, it will not print the value of 3. So it will continue the next statement of this while loop and again checks whether a is less than 6 or not. Now it is while loop where we are giving the condition when it is inside the loop or not. Now in for loop we have to give the range of value of I. So it will not take from otherwise outside the loop, it will take from this loop that the value of range, the starting value is 1, then the ending value is 6 and the step is 1. That is, it will increment by 1. So we have to not increment the value of I in each iteration with I equal to I plus 1. It will automatically iterate with this value. Now it will starts with 1, 2, 3, 4 and up to 6. Leaving the 6 value, it will print this value up ranging from 1 to 6. So now if I put this as 2, so the interval will be 2. The steps will be 2. So the result will be 1, 3 and 5. Now else statement is in for loop. So after this range it will print that out of range after that. So let's see, it will print 1, 3, 5 and then else part out of range. Now nested for loop. For I equal to 1, print I. For j in range 2, 4, 1 in steps of 1. Now print j. So for each of this I value, j will be printed in this, and then after that print I again and again goes to the I loop. So let's see what it happens. Now for each of the i's value 2, 3, then the value of 1 minute. It will be easy if I say j equal to j and itself. Now let's see. So j equal to, for the first time when j equal to 1, it will take, when I equal to 1 and j's value 2 to 4 means 2 and 3. So 2 and 3 for the value of 1, 2 and 3 for the value of 3, as I is stepping with 2 steps, and then 2 and 3 for j for ith value 5. So this is the nested for loop. So we can put break here also. If j is equal to 3, then break. So after 3 it will goes to the I loop. Now it's, we are pressing this value more 6, and if j equal to 3, then it will be break. That is, it will break for the other values 4, 5, and continues only for I. Now goes, so for I value 1, it will print 2, 3, and after 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5 will be not executed, as we put the break statement in the jth loop. Next again it will loop for the I iteration, and in this iteration j will again goes to 2, 3, and then break, and then again for the ith iteration. So 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, otherwise then 5. And if I put here continue, it will only not print the value of 3, otherwise 2 to 6 all of the values will be printed in the jth loop. So let's see. Sorry. So it will printing 2 missing 3, 4, 5, 2 missing 3, 4, 5, 2 missing 3, 4, 5. So this is the break and continue statement in the nested loop. So today is up to this. Let me know your comments in the comment section. If you like this video and find it useful, subscribe to my channel and press the like button. Thank you.